si Billy riding his horse. And the baby horse. Ano, pony?
Horsey. Daddy Mike Joe?
BJ riding the horse. And the pony following. Mo, may sakit yung pony. The angry, the tired, the wasteful, the wasted mountaineers. Okay, tigil sa shed. Hoy, stop!
Tigil mo na!
Ah? Hindi ko na kaya. You can hear the breathing. Breathe.
Oh, nako.
Breathe.
Tubig.
Sorry, iniigib pa ang tubig nito.
Buti pa yung kabayo, oh. Hindi na